Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to all students, faculty, and alumni of the RTU BSBA HRM department. I am JV Javier, known as HRJ on TikTok. I have been working as a human resource associate in the private sector for 5 years and also create content on TikTok. I am sharing insights, tips, and behind the scenes glimpses into the world of HR recruitment. And lastly, I am single. Kidding aside, as you gear up to celebrate the founding anniversary of your STEAM department, you are not just looking back on your achievements, but also looking ahead to the future. As part of your week-long festivities, I want to take this opportunity to offer some advice and tips for those of you aspiring to pursue a career in human resources. So, the workforce and economy have significantly impacted the role of HR professionals. And this transformation will continue as technology and machines take over jobs that people once performed. So you can begin by enhancing your skills in some critical areas that analysts says are key to future success in the profession and likely to be widely practiced in the future. Firstly, invest in your education. Take advantage of the resources and opportunities available at RTU, whether it's through courses, workshops, or networking events. Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge. Gain practical experience whenever you can. Internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work can provide invaluable hands-on experience and help you develop essential skills that will be beneficial in your HR future career. Next is embrace technology and analytics. Savvy HR departments are already using analytics to predict and assess everything from employee retention to recruitment strategies to the success of wellness programs. And focus on developing your interpersonal skills, communication, empathy, and conflict resolution are crucial aspects of HR roles. Practice active listening, empathy, and effective communication techniques to build strong relationships with colleagues and clients. Be certified or update your skill set. The field of HR is changing rapidly, with many new regulations impacting how we interview, how we pay, required training, how we protect privacy, and more. Try to take an online examination to be a certified human resource associate. So as we celebrate your department's anniversary and look forward to a bright future, remember that the journey to becoming a successful HR professional requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Good luck, future HR professionals. So, by the way, you can reach me via email or on my TikTok if you need advices regarding interview tips, resume writing, or any HR-related concerns. Again, I am JV Javier, and thank you for having me as part of your celebration for the HRM founding anniversary and HR Week.